Today I introduce to you Unit 5 English and World Discovery. Lesson 6 7 Language Focus. Conditionals. And wish. Page 55. Part 1. Grammar Rules of Conditionals. One. We use the zero conditional for a fact or a situation which is generally true. Example, if it rains, the grass gets wet. If it rains clause uses present tense. The grass gets wet clause uses present tense. Two. We use the first conditional for a situation which is possible and probable. Example, if it doesn't rain tomorrow, we'll go to the beach. If clause uses present tense, main clause uses will plus base form. Three. We use the second conditional for a situation which is possible but not probable. Example, I wouldn't worry if I were you. Main clause uses would plus base form, if clause uses past tense. Can, could, may, might, are used in conditionals to express possibility, uncertainty, or permission. Examples. If the weather improved, we could go for a walk. If Sheila rings, I might ask her to come over for dinner. Exercise 1. Study sentences A, G and match them to the types of conditional 1 to 3. Look at yellow highlight carefully. A0. B first. C first. D first. E first. F second. G second. Look at and take note. Language note. Exercise 2. Complete the table with the words in the box. One. Present, 2 will, 3 past. Exercise 3. Study the examples of conditionals in the visitor's guide. Choose the correct verb forms. Part 2. Grammar rules of wish. Exercise 4. Study the examples and complete the rule. We use the simple past tense to make wishes about a present situation which is not currently true or does not happen. Examples. I wish I could see you next week. We wish we had a bigger house. That's a dreadful noise. I wish it would stop. He wishes he lived somewhere more interesting. Exercise 5. Rewrite the sentences. One. He wants to speak to aliens from space. He wishes he could speak to aliens from space. 2. His English is not good enough to study space science. He wishes his English were good enough to study space science. Three. They can't afford explorations to discover new species. They wish they could afford explorations to discover new species. Four. She is not strong enough for the journey to K12 cave. She wishes she were strong enough for the journey to K12 cave. Exercise 6. Complete questions 1 to 6 with the correct verb forms.